pounds. Yeah, it's just an animal. It's not a big deal. Whoa, that's a raccoon! This reminds me of going to Waffle House at 3 a.m. Never mind. I take it back. Oh crap. Crabs? On right here. Hang on right here. Hang on right here.
All right, we got this. Jump.
We lost. No, we didn't. Oh. Okay, I get it. I understand. We need to find 5 and 4. Well, I didn't find 5 and 4, but I found another death. Oh, what is that? Box I keep running into right now. Like, what in the world's going on? Is that what you mean? Gosh darn! Okay, all right. There's arrows over here. What was that? What doesn't love you? You're dead.